I'm right through the back like I must have on a beat, bro.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Saskia Amelia. Today I would like to talk about flooding in Bali. Flooding is a serious problem that often happens in Bali and who affect people's lives, the environment and tourism. On the positive side, flooding reminds people to care more about the environment. It encourages better waste management and drainage system. Flooding also makes the government more aware of environmental problem. On the other hand, flooding damages houses, roads, and public facilities.
Areas in the sky. When you lose small mind, you free your life.
It disrupts daily activities and tourism in Bali. Flooding can also cause economic losses for local people. To solve this problem, people should stop littering and protect the environment. For example, people clean the environment.
Feeling like a thief in the crowd. I'm reaching for you, terrified. 'Cause you
The government also needs to improve the system and control development. That's all for me. I hope we can learn from this issue. Thank you for your attention and kind consideration.
Few moments later.
What causes flooding in Bali?
Flooding is caused by heavy rain, blocked drainage, and too much
In
bleeding.
Bali. How does flooding affect tourism?
Flooding makes tourists afraid to visit and causes financial loss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.